No. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing my cousin's makeup again. So I hope you will like this video and hope you will learn something, some technique at least. So yeah, just keep on watching, and if you're new, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Okay, enjoy. I'd like to introduce my cousin NGB.
Hi guys. As you all know, oh wait, no. If you don't know, I'm Angie. Yeah.
Start gold color, right?
The one that you posted in your story.
You like that? What I did was I just put this white color to mattify the eyelid, so it will be easier to blend the next color.
She's doing glittery gold. Was it? Glittery gold eye makeup.
And now I'm putting the transition shade, which is the salted caramel. It's like a peachy brown color. Bit of color. I'm gonna add a little bit darker shade of brown, and I'm gonna use this one, milk chocolate. Close. The shimmer one is, I'm gonna use this creme brulee. It's like the gold shimmer, gold glitter kind of shimmer. That's it, and then blend them together. Okay guys, so now we're done with not done, but I will put now the eyeliner. I don't like your eyeliner
Why?
because it's thick, the tip thick and hard. Nice.
No. No. No.
Yes.
No. Oh my God, no.
Get some
Wait, I have an...
cotton buds. Okay, guys, so
We're back.
we're back. She was able to remove the excess eyeliner, so let's continue.
Okay, I won't.
Don't move. Don't blink. Open. Don't look at me. Open.
Okay, wait.
Maybe you have to close your eyes. Ooh.
Okay, you know what? I'll close my eyes. I'll close my eyes.
Okay, go on.
Girl, why is this so funny?
Ah, success.
Really? Oops.
Okay, so now at the bottom. So if you don't have a lot of brush and you want to change colors, you just clean it using a tissue to remove the excess powder.
Now the song's stuck in my head. You know the song that
So obviously we're gonna use the same colors that we used on the first time. let's try to put the gosh, not the best angle.
Yeah.
And this one is the other one is longer.
I think they're the same.
Yeah.
Can I see? No, they're the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird because they're exactly the same. Yeah, they're exactly the same.
Hey guys, so she's gonna curl the eyelashes. She will be right back when it's done. So guys, here's the result. What do you think?
So yeah, this is the result, and this is more applicable for like parties, I think, and like I don't know. You can also do it for like casual thing. You
Yeah.
can make it a casual thing.
You can do it in like daytime, but maybe change the color, like choose lighter colors.
Yeah, and also I changed my lipstick and I made it lip gloss because I feel like it suits it more. And yeah, that's it for today.
That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to
Like, comment, and share, and subscribe.
yes, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Mwah.